Residents in Sydney are set to face water restrictions within weeks as the state's long-term drought takes its toll on the city's dam levels.
New South Wales was facing the worst drought on record. Dam levels were plummeting, crops, livestock and native bush and wildlife were suffering. But no matter what short-term measures Sydney Water had taken, Sydneysiders were reluctant to change their water usage ways. Knowing that 23% of all water consumption occurs outside the home and over 2.3 million Sydneysiders love gardening, this posed a big problem. Our job was to stop Sydneysiders worrying and to tell them they can still flex their green thumbs and save water at the same time. Introducing the Drought-Proof Garden.
Having a green thumb can be very difficult during a drought, but a new garden unveiled in the city aims to show how to keep plants thriving in dry weather. The 100-metre square garden in Martin Place is filled with over 15 varieties.
The Drought-Proof Garden convinced garden-loving Sydneysiders that they could keep doing what they love without wasting water. The Drought-Proof Garden became the most talked about garden in Australia, and it wasn't long before the conversation started to grow. We worked with social ambassadors Charlie Albone from Selling Houses Australia and Georgia Reid to create a series of engaging educational content to show how to love your garden in the drought. Our campaign was the most successful yet, getting both local and national attention, but more importantly, the campaign contributed to saving over 43.5 billion litres of water during the peak summer period.